Hi, my name is Kelly Gentry. I'm a music teacher at PS 96 in the Bronx. This is my dog Piper. Number one, be in the video. Nothing can replace being able to actually see their own music teacher explaining how to do something. Make sure that you are visible. You want to have that personal connection. Piper makes an appearance in a lot of my videos because my students know her. Give them that personal connection when we're all having to be so physically distant right now. Number two, make sure your space is clean. All of my clutter is pushed out of frame, and then it also helps for the students to focus on what you're teaching instead of all that's going on around you. Number three, be clear in your speaking. I might include text either in the assignment when I post it, or I'll include text at the beginning of the video or in the middle, wherever it's necessary for them to really understand what's expected and what they need to do. Number four, be mindful of what your students have available at home, things that students can sing along to, or patterns and rhythms that they can, body percussion, cup song, things that they can do with what you might find in a regular home. And number five, it doesn't have to be a long video, under 3 minutes. They're either things the students can sing along to, or I'm just showing them how to create a specific rhythm or pattern. There's a lot going on right now. There's a lot of stress, a lot of tension. So I want my videos to be something that can really lift the students up and give them something that they can be successful at and feel accomplished. The rest of your school year is successful, and that we can all continue to support each other and really continue to make music with our students even if we're far apart.